two essential players in every organization, the dynamic leader and the reliable follower. One big question: which role truly shapes success? On the left, leader, the visionary, strategic decision maker. On the right, follower, the dependable, execution-focused achiever. Let's skip the buzzwords and look at what really sets these roles apart. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Okay, let's pop up our mind map. So here's what we're going to be breaking down: vision and focus, risk and initiative, influence and motivation, problem solving and adaptability, communication and empowerment, and finally, work style and confidence. Yeah, we're about to hit all the angles. Getting started with vision and focus. So when it comes to leaders, it's like they've always got their eyes on the horizon. They see the bigger picture, spot trends way ahead, and are always mapping out those long-term goals. Super impressive, right? Although, sometimes they can get a little caught up in the big dreams and accidentally overlook the small stuff, which, might matter more than they think. Now, followers, these folks are all about the here and now. They focus on what's in front of them, keeping everything running smoothly. Their attention to detail? Crazy good. But sometimes they're just sticking to the checklist, not really seeing the wider vision. So who edges out here? It's got to be leader. Looking to the future wins this round. Let's talk about risk and initiative. Leaders? Oh, they're not afraid to shake things up. They'll take calculated risks, solve problems before anyone else, and honestly, they're the ones fueling all kinds of innovation. Downside? Yeah, things can go wrong, and the stakes can get high fast. Switching to followers, they're actually the backbone of stability. If you need things to run just like they always have, followers are your people. They follow the playbook and keep things consistent. But if it's creativity or bold moves you want, don't exactly hold your breath. Leader nabs this one, since innovation really moves things forward. All right, influence and motivation time. Think about leaders. These are the people who get everyone hyped about that shared mission. They actually empower their teams and spark collaboration. But hey, it's not all smooth sailing. You really need super strong communication to pull this off. And if things go south, the weight falls on the leader. Followers, on the other hand, are reliable. They respect the chain of command, follow instructions, and keep the wheels turning. But inspiring others? Not really their jam. It's more about getting things done. I mean, let's be real. With all that empowerment and team energy, leader just kind of walks away with this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the best leaders actually started off as fantastic followers? A ton of successful CEOs were team players first. So, yeah, there's a lot more overlap than people think. Next, problem solving and adaptability. Leaders here are like the ultimate creative troubleshooters. They're quick to adjust when things change and love finding unique solutions. Even if, sometimes the answer could have been way simpler. But hey, if you want excitement, they're your pick. Followers, though, they're super solid when it comes to routine. If there's a problem, they'll spot and report it right away. Repetitive roles? They nail those. But they might struggle if things get too wild or out of the norm. No contest here. Leader takes it again for being ultra adaptable. Okay, sliding into communication and empowerment. Leaders tend to be great talkers. They articulate ideas, actually listen, and delegate like a boss. But wow, it can be exhausting keeping up that level of communication and transparency. Followers? Man, they're so good at executing instructions. Precision is their thing, and they keep everything structured. But most followers aren't exactly driving the group chat or making their own choices. They're just following the directions. So, no shade, but leader definitely steals the spotlight here with all those people skills. Last one, work style and confidence. Leaders, picture all that confidence, making sharp decisions even when things get stressful, and always pushing for new ideas. Sometimes that means coming off a little, overconfident, or missing out on team feedback, though. Followers are super dependable if you need someone who asks for help and leans on the process. Major points for reliability and stability. But their independent confidence? Kinda limited. The edge here? Yet again, it swings toward leader, purely for that self-assurance and ability to handle pressure. Now, let's check out our radar chart. You'll notice leader stats are just popping out on every axis. Vision, risk-taking, motivation, adaptability. It's almost like an all-around sweep. That being said, there are solid pockets where follower holds the line, like with operational consistency and getting things done. So, where do I land? Leaders are kind of the engine that keeps everything evolving. They drive vision, solve tough stuff, and lift everyone up along the way. But honestly, without top-notch followers to keep everything steady and precise, all that innovation would just fizzle out. The magic really happens when organizations have a mix. A bit leader, a bit follower. And let's be real, a great leader was probably a great follower first. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more leadership insights. We've got plenty more head-to-heads, so stick around for the next.